Welcome to this tutorial on transferring USDT from your OKX wallet to Binance. We'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth and secure transaction process. First, open the Binance app and log in. Navigate to Wallets and select USDT. Click on Deposit to set up the network and choose the supported network for USDT, such as ERC20. After selecting the ERC20 network, copy the provided USDT deposit address to your clipboard. This address will be used to transfer USDT from your OKX wallet. Now, open the OKX app and log in. Go to the Wallet section, select Withdraw, and choose USDT. You'll need to transfer the cryptocurrency to Binance using the copied address. Paste the Binance deposit address into the OKX withdrawal section. Ensure the network matches Binance's, which in this case is ERC20. This step is crucial for a successful transfer. Select the withdrawal account on OKX, either funding or trading. Verify all details are correct, then confirm the submission to initiate the transfer to Binance. Once the withdrawal is confirmed on OKX, the transaction will be processed. After completion, your USDT will appear in your Binance wallet, ready for use.
Thank you for watching this tutorial on transferring USDT from OKX to Binance. Remember to always verify details and start with a small amount for large transfers to ensure everything is correct.